And?
I don't even know what to say. This thing is so fucking rowdy.
Yeah, it's so nice.
It's so quick. It's like 500 horsepower?
650.
650 horsepower. It weighs 1100 kilograms, so nothing. You can feel it as a passenger. It weighs nothing.
Yeah.
It's not even an experience you can explain. These things are crazy.
Are you awake now?
That is the coolest thing I've ever been passenger in.
Yeah,
Much.
me too.
That's insane. Bro, everybody in the like 5 mile radius must be standing up in their beds right now.
You must
awake.
look at the footage. It looks like Need for Speed Underground.
Let's go from here. Follow me, and we'll go to a quiet spot away from here, and then we'll I can get my bags and we can look at the footage.
Oh, it's so insane. The crazy thing is, it's completely wet outside.
Yeah, and it has grip.
There's so much grip.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this first video.